Morning students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking second standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 3, Allies in Goa. So students, holidays are the time of recreation. Children visit various places and do many activities. Holidays are the time of recreation. Children visit various places and do many activities to recreate themselves in holidays. In this chapter, Alice in Goa, two children, Alice and Henry, went to Goa to visit with their parents. Let us read the story to know how they spent their holiday. Let's read line by line. Elisa's school closes on 15th May. So students, it is the last day of the school. Elisa's here girl name her name is Alice. Her school closes on 15th May. What is the date? 15th May. It's holiday time again. Now it's time to holiday. It's holiday time again. Dad has promised to take the family to Goa. What the dad has promised? Alice dad has promised that they visit to Goa in the vacations. Alice is thrilled. So now the Alice is thrilled. Meaning of thrilled is very excited. So students, when you and your family is going to visit somewhere in vacation, so you also became very excited. Like that only Alice also. Now Alice is also very excited. It was the last day of school. It was the last day of school because now the holidays time. It was the holiday time. Now the vacations will start. The bell rang. Now the school bell rang. The children wished the teacher happy holidays, ma'am. It is the last day of the school. Now now the school bell is rang. So the children are wishing to their teacher that happy holidays, ma'am. So what the children are wishing? Children are wishing to their teacher happy holidays, ma'am. And see in this picture, children are wishing to their teacher. The teacher said, "Thank you. Children wish you the same." What the teacher said? Teacher said, "Thank you. Children wish you the same." Teacher also wishing to the children. Alice got into the bus all through the way back home. She was dreaming about Goa. Now Alice got into the bus and in school bus she was dreaming about Goa because her dad is promised to take her to Goa. Now she is very excited and in school bus on the way she was dreaming about the Goa. On 18th May, Eliza woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. On which day? On the 18th May. What was the date? 18th May. Eliza's school closes on 15th May. Now they are planning to go to the Goa. And it was the 18th May. On 18th May, Alice woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Eliza woke up earlier. She woke up at 6 o'clock in the early morning. She woke her brother up. She was already woke up at 6 o'clock. Now she woke up her brother up. She was woke up her brother. Her brother name is Henry. She was telling Henry, wake up. Henry rubbed his eyes and said, why? Why should I? Now, Henry don't want to get up earlier, but Alice were very excited for the trip. So she get up, was very excited for the trip, so she already woke up. But when she woke up her brother, Henry wake up, Henry rubbed his eyes and said he is asking to now he is asking to Alice, to her sister, why should I get up so earlier? Mom and Dad were already up. Mom and Dad, Alice, Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad means mother and father were already wake up. Dad was putting the bags in the car. What was the dad doing? Dad was putting the bags. They were packed with some bags because they are visiting to Goa. So that bags, Dad was putting the bags in the car. Now Dad has putting the bags into their cars. Dad is putting the bags in the car. Mom checked the garage door. Have you locked the doors properly? Asked Dad. What is Mom doing? Mom checking the garage doors. It was properly locked or not. Have you locked the doors properly? So here Dad is asking to Mom. Elisa's dad is asking to Mom, have you locked the doors properly? Because they are visiting to Goa, so they have to check all the doors are locked properly or not. Yes, said Mum. Mum said yes. Thereafter, she packed sandwiches and juices in a carry bag. Have you taken the guitar? She asked Dad, to which he nodded. After checking the doors properly, mom also packed the sandwiches and juices in carry bags. She packed some juices and sandwiches in a carry bag because they may be hungry while traveling. So she is packing sandwiches and juices in carry bag to eat. Now she asked to Dad, have you taken the guitar? She is asking to Dad, have you taken the guitar? She asked Dad, to which he nodded. They left home at 7:30. Now they left the home. They left home at 7:30. Now they left the home. What was the time? 7:30. It took them 7 hours to reach Goa. It took them 7 hours to reach the Goa. It took long time. It took 7 hours to reach Goa. When Alice and Henry saw the beach, they were thrilled. Now Alice and they reached the Goa. Now Alice and Henry saw the beach. They saw the Goa beach. So they were thrilled. What is the meaning of beach? Sea. It is the sea. When they saw the beach, they were thrilled. The water is so blue, said Henry. The beach is lovely, said Alice. They were thrilled. They were very excited after seeing the beach. So the water is so blue, said by the Henry. The beach water is blue, said the Henry. The beach is lovely. What the Eliza said? Alice said, the beach is lovely. Now they reached to Goa, and after seeing their beach, when the Henry and Alice saw the beach, so Henry said, the water is so blue, said by the Henry, and the beach is lovely, said the Eliza. I am going to swim in the morning, said Henry. What did Henry say? Henry said, I am going to swim in the morning. I am going to build sand castle, said Eliza. So here Henry going to swim in the morning and Alice going to build a sand castle. Meaning of sand castle is a pile of sand that is made up in the shape of a castle or tower, usually by children on a beach. You must also swim, Alice. It's a good exercise, said Mum. So, Alice is going to build the sand castle. So, Mum said, you also swim. It's a good exercise. It's a very good for health, said the Alisa's mum. They stayed in a hotel close to beach. Where they stayed? They stayed in the hotel which is very near by the beach. They could see the sea from the window. They stayed in the hotel which is very near to the beach, so they can see the beauty of the beach. They can see the sea from the window from their room. The next morning, all four went to the beach. Now, after reaching there, they stayed in a hotel. Now, next morning, all four means here Alice, her brother Henry, and their mom and dad, they four went to the beach. See here students, in this picture you can see here they four were enjoying in the beach. Alice and Henry were swimming in the beach. In the evening they went cycling. Afterwards, after enjoying the full day, they went for the cycling. In the evening they took a long walk. After that, after cycling, what they do? Dad took a long walk. They went for the cycling. Afterwards, Dad took a long walk. After that, Mum sat and read books. What does Mum do? Mum sat and read the books. Alice and Henry played. It was a great holiday. In the evening, after the swimming and enjoyment, what they do? In the evening, they went for cycling. Dad took a long walk and Mum sat and read books. Alice and Henry played. They both were played with each other. They played together. It was a great holiday. It was a enjoyable, memorable, great holiday for them. Alice in Goa. So students, hope you understood the lesson. Now it's time for the homework. Read lesson carefully 2 times and write the keywords in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.